From the PEP Radio Newsroom, we have this news about President Donald Trump's consideration of the Insurrection Act. President Donald Trump on Thursday threatened to invoke an 1807 law and deploy troops to quell persistent protests against the federal officers sent to Minneapolis to enforce his administration's massive immigration crackdown. The threat comes a day after a man was shot and wounded by an immigration officer who had been attacked with a shovel and a broom handle. That shooting further heightened the fear and anger that has radiated across the city since an immigration and customs enforcement agent fatally shot Renee Good in the head. Trump has repeatedly threatened to invoke the Insurrection Act, a rarely used federal law, to deploy the U.S. military or federalize the National Guard for domestic law enforcement over the objections of state governors. If the corrupt politicians of Minnesota don't obey the law and stop the professional agitators and insurrectionists from attacking the patriots of ICE, who are only trying to do their job, I will institute the Insurrection Act, which many presidents have done before me, and quickly put an end to the travesty that is taking place in that once great state, Trump said in a social media post. Presidents have invoked the law more than 24 times, most recently in 1992 by George H.W. Bush to end unrest in Los Angeles, and in that instance, local authorities had asked for the assistance. Minnesota Attorney General Keith Ellison responded that he would challenge any such action in court. He's already suing to try to stop the surge of the Department of Homeland Security folks, which says it has made more than 2,000 arrests in the state since early December. ICE is a DHS agency. I'm making a direct appeal to the president. Let's turn the temperature down. Stop this campaign of retribution. This is not who we are, Governor Tim Walz, a Democrat, said on X. And that's what we know for now. From the PEP Radio Newsroom, I'm David Moore.